Hi everyone! So this is how my dendrobium species looks like now, how it looks now. Um, this is my dendrobium bactriosum crossed, and it's a red one. And I potted it in this basket more than 2 months now, first week of August, and it's now the end of October. So stay tuned if you want to see the repotting, because this video is also about repotting and how I care for this species. Hi everyone! Today I decided to repot my dendrobium species, because every time you hear me in the video about every time I get close to this plant, because I watered it more frequent, because it's in a very small lava rock, small size lava rock. So I watered it frequently, so I kept saying I need to change the media. And because it has a cascading habit on one side only, I feel like also need to put it in a hanging basket. So this is my Dendrobium bracteosum cross-sieve. It's the red one. The flower looks like a bougainvillea, if you're familiar with bougainvillea. So because it's cascading to one side, we're gonna use this kind of basket. So when you hang it on the wall, you only see the cascading uh, canes of this plant. So hopefully the roots are good, and we're just gonna mix. I'm thinking it might change as I go along. Change the media to a more water retentive media, maybe some small bark mixed with the lava rock, so the roots won't get shocked. And as you can see, the media is really, the condition of the media is good. What I'm trying to say is, when you see plants growing in between those rocks, that means the moisture, the air is very viable for other plants to grow. So that is a good sign. So, but I'm disturbing it. Again, the roots and the media. So, I mean, it's not again, because this is my first time to repot it, since I got it and it did well for me. And now, yeah, since I have it, this is my first time to change its media. So we'll see. I have to do it early before winter, so it has time to adjust to the new media. That way, when winter comes and it's in dormancy, it's gonna be okay. When I tried to spill those media out, it showed that I have very fine small barks in here. So it's not a lava rock, all lava rock after all. And all along I thought, because I forgot what I put in here. This plant I got from a show, and see, it's from in another country. This must be, I'm not sure, it's Taiwan or China. But yeah, from Tsinghua. So they sell their plants bare roots. So this is how I planted it when I first got it, and I forgot what I put in there now. So now it's so I didn't know that it was in a small bark. So, and yeah, as you can see, there are new growths. I haven't talked to you earlier about that, new growths, and I think it's putting out keikis. Yeah. So yeah, they got new growths in their canes. See there? So we'll see. So here's how it looks like out of the pot. Wow, the roots. I have to be careful how I hold it so I don't disturb the new growth. Yeah, it's got long roots there. Actually, the roots not bad. Yeah. So we'll we'll repot it to the plastic container and gently remove all these big lava rocks here on the bottom. Hopefully I can get it out. Let's see. So here it is, guys. I have to put this pot in this clay pot so it keep it steady because it's gonna fall off with the weight of the plant. um, I put I tried to remove the lava rock, but some of them, a few of them is attached to the root really good, so I don't have the heart to cut that off. um, but the media, the bark on the bottom, because it's in the bottom, it stays wet longer, so I put larger bark in there, and then as we go up it's gonna be medium to small bark. So yeah, as you can see, there's not a lot of roots attached to the pot, thank goodness. Unlike my other plants, they really attach to the clay pot and I got a lot of breakage of roots, but this one did good. So yeah, and this is the old media. Okay, I gotta use one hand, hold the camera the other. Okay, so this is a small to medium bark. It's kind of blurry. So, and I use a very fine small fine media to hard to reach places, like here in between this back here you have a very small fine bark. I use it, and it's good that you're not listening while I was filling this up earlier, because I talked to my plant. And I don't know if you heard that they tell you to sometimes you have to talk to them, and yeah, and that's why I like it, just me and the plant, because I talk to them. So anyway, maybe it's for my own sanity than more than the plant, but yes. So let's see, we'll fill this up. And I think when you talk to them, they know that you really care for them. I don't know, but my daughter just showed me a video of a music for the plant that they put on, and it's an app designed for the, or a music designed for the plant. So I'm like, I never heard of it, but it might be possible. So let me just finish covering the roots. So this orchid bark, so that way it will take a while before I repot again. So here it is, guys. I already hang it in the wall, and I watered it too and put slow release fertilizer. I got busy putting nails on the wall for it to hang, measuring and all that. So yeah, and it's picture perfect. Let's see in another angle. So that's it, guys. It's gonna be pretty when it starts flowering all in its canes, old canes anyway. But yeah, it's cascading downward the canes, and I'm thinking this one will just adjust because if it find resistance against the wall. So yeah, because I don't think any more of the new growths will be coming out from this side. So this one is just coming this side. So most of them here. So we'll see. If not, we'll change again because where I'm learning and how this species go. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learn with me as I'm also learning how to take care of this orchid. Thank you so much. Bye now.